What if I told you this SUV isn't just luxury? It's a moving command center designed to dominate both city streets and the wild. Stay till the end, because what's under the hood might surprise you. Step inside, and instantly, you realize this isn't just a car, it's an experience. The first thing that grabs your attention is the dual-screen dashboard setup. Everything is perfectly layered, navigation on top, climate and controls below, clean, minimal, and futuristic. The materials? Premium leather, brushed metal, and soft-touch surfaces everywhere your hand reaches. Nothing feels cheap. Everything feels intentional. Look at the steering wheel. Thick, perfectly contoured, with controls placed exactly where your fingers naturally fall. This is driver-focused luxury. And then the digital instrument cluster, sharp, responsive, and customizable. It gives you everything you need: speed, terrain info, driving modes, all in real time. Ambient lighting subtly wraps around the cabin, creating a calm, high-end vibe. Especially at night, this isn't just comfort. This is control, precision, and quiet confidence. Now, let's talk about what truly powers this beast. Under the hood, this SUV isn't playing games. It's built for performance and reliability, a rare combination. You're looking at a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine, engineered to deliver massive torque while staying smooth and efficient. The way this engine responds, it's instant. Press the pedal, and you feel that controlled surge, not aggressive, but confident. And here's the crazy part. Despite its size, the power delivery feels refined, almost effortless. Advanced cooling systems, smart fuel management, and precision engineering make sure this engine performs in extreme conditions. Whether it's desert heat or mountain climbs, this is not just an engine. It's a statement of engineering mastery. Now take a step back and just look at it. That bold front grille, massive, aggressive, and impossible to ignore. It instantly tells you, this is not a regular SUV. The LED headlights are razor sharp, giving it a futuristic and commanding presence, especially at night. The body lines are clean yet muscular, every curve designed to enhance both aerodynamics and visual power. And this bright yellow finish? It's not just color, it's attitude. It demands attention from every angle. From the side profile, you see the perfect balance. Luxury meets rugged capability. Large alloy wheels, high ground clearance, and a strong stance make it ready for any terrain. And as you move to the rear, the design stays consistent, bold, premium, and unmistakably Lexus. This isn't just a vehicle you drive, it's one you arrive in. So tell me, would you drive this luxury beast daily, or save it for special moments? Subscribe to 40 Car for more insane car reveals.